Now with Valentine's Day around the corner, you should consider giving that special someone a premium leather watch strap for Valentine's Day. This is EBPMAN Tech Reviews, and today we will look at watch straps for the Apple Watch from Strappa. Let's check them out. I was really excited to receive these watch straps from Strappa for review. As you all know, I reviewed dozens of watch straps on the channel and use them personally on my Apple Watch and my Galaxy Watch. I see Apple Watches virtually every day, but rarely see them with a beautiful watch strap. So in this video, we will review Apple watch straps from Strappa that fit virtually every Apple Watch. We're talking series 1 through 5, sizes 42 through 44, with a circumference of 6 to 8 inches. These watch straps are made out of a high quality leather and are expertly crafted. So let's get right to it.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now these watch straps are made out of quality material that should hold up well. Now in addition to the genuine Italian leather material, the watch strap lugs are made out of polished 316L stainless steel. The stitching is done in a manner that's going to allow the straps to wear without stretching. Now as we take a closer look at the watch straps themselves, I have to say that the overall presentation is absolutely stunning. Check this out. So the watch straps come in these leather cases, and I'm going to open one up so they're magnetic, and as you open them up, look how nice that presentation is. We'll go ahead and close this one. Let me show another one. Here's how it would look when you open it up. Really nice looking. And then here's the third one that we have on the channel. You can see how that looks. Let's go ahead and look at how you remove the watch band from your existing Apple Watch, and then we'll go ahead and show you how to install these new ones. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the existing watch strap off of our Apple Watch, and it's really simple. All you're going to do is grab your Apple Watch, flip it over, you're going to press this little button here, and then you're going to slide it off. Now what you can do is to make sure that you put them in the right place is you can start with the bottom one or the top one, depending on which one you removed, and then slide in the new Apple Watch strap. So here I'm going to do the same thing to this one, remove it just like this, and then put in this strap. And you notice as soon as you slide this in, it just locks into place really easily. So we'll go ahead and do the same thing with this one. Let me just make sure I get this alignment right. All right, that's aligned really nicely. And that's all there's to it. Now let's take a closer look at this watch strap so you can see why I'm so excited about these. The quality is absolutely amazing. So the first thing we'll take a look at is all the stitching. So notice how nice and clean the stitching is all the way around. Also look at the craftsmanship around how, just the overall watch strap itself, how it's nicely cut. Notice how very thick material here. We'll flip this over, and you can see the stitching on this side with the Strappa logo there. And then as we go on this side, you notice again, nice buckle here, nice stitching, nice branding, right? Italian leather. And we'll flip this over, and that's what it's going to look like. Now as we take a look at the next watch strap, you'll notice that this watch strap is key to my watch. So the buckle, all the components really match the overall look of my Apple Watch. You'll notice again that the stitching is really nice here. We'll flip it over on the side so you can see how thick the material is. On this side, you'll notice that the stitching goes throughout, and again, it's really nice and clean, no extra threads coming out, right? And I would put this in kind of like a casual business type watch strap. You notice what this looks like right here? Really, really nice looking watch strap. Now the watch straps, because they are genuine leather, it's going to be stiff at first, but then once you put it on and your body heat and you continue to wear this, it is going to soften up. But remember, it's not going to stretch because of, again, the type of stitching and the type of material that they have in place. So they've done a really nice job in overall craftsmanship to make sure that the watch straps will remain durable. So let's switch bands so you can see the all black one next. Now the last watch strap that we're taking a look at is all black, still key to my Apple Watch. You notice that it's a non-glossy surface, right? So this is kind of like a matte finish to it. Again, great craftsmanship. Nice stitching all the way throughout, nothing loose anywhere. As we flip this over, you'll notice again how the treatment goes straight through, same branding, right? And everything matches really nicely. This, I would say, is kind of a more of a business looking strap. So you notice how nice that looks. And again, it really just dresses up your Apple Watch. I always encourage to have multiple straps, as I mentioned, because I just like being able to switch things up. But again, this is what this Apple Watch strap would look like. Great material, great design, and it would be great for Valentine's Day. So guys, that wraps up our review of the Apple Watch straps from Strappa. Let me know which one you're going to pick up in the comment area below.